What HVAC issues are most common in older homes? The most common problems are aging furnaces or boilers, weak insulation and ductwork, outdated thermostats, poor airflow, and indoor air quality issues. Older homes often have heating and cooling equipment that is more than 15 years old, so parts may wear out, work inefficiently, or become difficult to replace. Leaky ducts are another major problem because heated or cooled air escapes into attics, crawl spaces, or walls instead of reaching the rooms. Some older systems use asbestos insulation, which must not be cut, moved, or removed without trained professionals. Poor insulation around walls, ceilings, and windows also makes the system run longer because the home loses comfortable air quickly. A dirty filter, blocked vent, or weak blower can reduce airflow and create rooms that feel too hot or too cold. Old thermostats may read temperatures inaccurately, while newer programmable or smart thermostats can improve control if the system supports them. A useful check is to close doors and windows, replace the filter, inspect visible ducts for gaps, and ask a licensed technician to test airflow, combustion safety, and carbon monoxide levels. One common mistake is replacing the furnace or air conditioner before checking leaky ducts and insulation, so have the whole system evaluated first. Another mistake is covering vents or closing too many registers to fix uneven temperatures, which can increase pressure and damage the equipment. Keep supply and return openings clear. People also sometimes ignore unusual smells, rattling, short cycling, or rising energy bills, but these can signal unsafe combustion, electrical trouble, or failing parts. So schedule an inspection promptly and install working carbon monoxide alarms. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.